Hey there, fellow dowsing devotees and Mind Body Wisdom fans. This video is about what I would do when you suddenly lose your dowsing ability or even your intuition. That is so scary, especially if you do that for a living, right? There's a number of reasons that I know of why that would happen. I've listed a whole bunch of information about that in my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing. It's available on Amazon in many different countries and markets, in ebook and paperback. But I will share with you the first things I would go through. The first thing I would look for is a polarity reversal. Now, if you lost your intuition and you can't do your muscle testing or your dowsing, then you're pretty much stuck unless you know someone who's happy to do a two-person muscle test for you. You could also try one of those sway tests, which is a full body muscle testing. But the first thing I would do is clear. I now reverse all polarity reversals right now. Polarity reversals can occur when you're subjected to shock or trauma, and not even if it's not happening to you. Things you see on TV or on the internet, maybe a friend of yours or a family member lost their job or became ill, something like that. Boy, that just will set the polarities in reverse. So just clear all that out now. My polarities now I command and decree run in perfect north and south alignment. So be it. All right. Then the next thing I would check are fears. Of course, the biggest fear will be a fear that you're never going to be able to dowse again, or your intuition will never come back. Clear that out. I now release this fear that the bad times will never end. My intuition is gone forever. My dowsing will never work again. Maybe I got clients coming in an hour or something. I let this all go now. What am I going to do? Clearing it out, clearing it out, clearing it out. Just brainstorm and clear your governing vessel meridian, right? You can do this or this. Just get rid of the fears. I see so many people asking questions online like, oh, I don't know what to do. All this stuff happened. Well, clear your fear about what happened. That would be the first and most important thing. But also, sometimes old fears from our childhood, like from religious beliefs, religious upbringing, like I was raised in, I will just say, a fundamentalist. To me, is a cult-like religion, and all about the sins and everything, and we're all a bunch of sinners. No, we're not. No, we're not. And dowsing is not a sin. And dowsing is a gift from God, as far as I'm concerned, or the big energy, whatever you believe in. So I release all these fears from my childhood. All these religious figures who said, like, even psychic ability, intuition was a sin, it was wrong, you're going to hell. Oh my gosh, how dare you say that about one of God's gifts, one of the universe's gifts. I let this go now. Now you might want to test your dowsing and see, maybe it's come back, maybe it hasn't. Try your muscle testing. You could ask a question like, okay, dowsing, muscle testing, intuition. 10 minutes ago, were you turned off? Now, muscle testing, dowsing, intuition, all three working together, working well, 100% capability. Yes. And just throw this in. I now recharge my dowsing ability, my intuition, my life force, muscle testing, and my abilities to help myself and others through these beautiful gifts. I boost to 100% effectiveness and functionality, and so it is, and compatibility with everything I need to use it for. Thank you. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment, smash the like button, subscribe, and check out more free videos, articles, ebooks on my website, emorescue.com. Remember, you are a treasure. So keep dowsing. Keep growing your intuition. It's a gift for yourself, and then when you get really good, to share with other people and help other people, including our animal friends who definitely need our help now. Thank you. Peace out. Namaste. My website, emorescue.com, offers free ebooks, audios, videos, EFT charts, free charts, all kinds of information for your self-healing empowerment. Check it out today. Thank you.